Hello cyclists, this is Rick. Today is Monday, March 4th, 2024. As you can see here, today's bike is going to be the Caney Endurace CF7 bike. I'm going to put some miles on that after riding the Linsky yesterday. Weather today is 77, 78 degrees, humidity is like 80%. Dew point is 71 degrees, overcast, and wind is out of the southeast at 13 miles an hour. So it's could be a little windy ride. Route today, planning on going north to Roman Forest Boulevard. I'll make it through Kingwood Villages, Woodridge Forest, make a loop through Brooklyn Trails, and then up US 59, Community Drive, Texas 99, and then over to Loop 494 up to Roman Forest Boulevard. It's been a couple rain showers going through. I got 1/100th of an inch of rain here, so I waited for the streets to dry off a teeny bit. While it was earlier today, I watched the Torino-Adriatico Stage 1 individual time trial, and then switched over to the Paris-Nice Stage 2 road. They did their time trial yesterday. So times, let's see, what time is it here? It is 11:42. Let's ride. I'm riding in Elm Grove Village, having a few raindrops falling on me. I was riding on Flint Creek Drive and had a little patch of rain, hoping it will go one way and I'll go the other. Not heavy rain, just a few sprinkles, enough to show up on the bike computer screen and my handlebars. Dampen the sleeves of my long sleeve t-shirt underneath my bike jersey that I'm wearing. I'm going to turn left at the stop sign on Creek Shadows Drive. 3.0 miles, 59 minutes after 11. Turn right on the first street up here, which is Village Springs Drive. Riding west. Hopefully this takes me away from the sprinkles. Riding in Woodridge Forest on Windward Meadows. Streets are dry here. When I was riding through Sherwood Trails, it started raining, but I guess I was on the fringe, so it didn't take long to ride out of it. The streets were wet though. Well, not soaking wet, but damp. We'll see if I get all the way to Roman Forest Boulevard. It does look better to the west and the north. Riding north on Kelly Road, I'm going to turn right into Brooklyn Trails on East Mills Branch Drive. Make a short loop through Brooklyn Trails. Had a few sprinkles while I was riding through Woodridge Forest. Around the pool area. But they weren't heavy and they didn't last. Thank goodness. I'm having to work through the raindrops get this ride in. I'm going to turn left at Grotto Falls Lane, or Grotto. And then right on Porter Mountain Trail. And left on Sandinistas Valley Drive. Make my way through Brooklyn Trails back. When I exit, I'll be on Gilbert Drive. 9.4 miles, 27 minutes after 12. Riding times 43 minutes, 40 seconds. Overall average speed is 13.0 miles an hour. Riding on the frontage road beside Texas 99 Grand Parkway, headed to Loop 494, up ahead at the traffic light. Looks like it's rained in the area before, but long enough ago that the main road's dried off. Past a laundromat back there, fragrant smells waffling out from it. 13.6 miles and 46 minutes after 12. We'll turn left. Now it's 13.7 miles. Overall average speed is 13.6 miles an hour. Riding north on Route 494. To my left is New Caney High School. I'll stay on Loop 494 till I get to Via Principal, where I'll turn left, go to the frontage road. .1 miles and 48 minutes after 12. A little bit of crosswind from my right side. Probably have a headwind once I make the turnaround at Roman Forest Boulevard and start heading southwest. Back to ride through Valley Ranch and then Briar Tree and then Oakhurst and back to Kingwood. Looks like the clouds, the rain clouds have dissipated some. Riding on the new bridge over Caney Creek on Loop 494. Next stop sign will be Via Principal. If I turn right, that would take me into Tavola. Left, I'll scoot over to the US 59 northbound frontage road. Then on to Roman Forest Boulevard. 16.0 miles, 55 minutes after 12. Overall average speed is 13.8 miles an hour. And we got riding time of 1 hour, 9 minutes, 40 seconds. Approaching Via Principal Parkway. Getting close to the turnaround point at Roman Forest Boulevard. Flashing red light is Roman Forest Boulevard. If you go to the right, left is Wilshire Road. We're going to go underneath US 59. Turning right on Via Tuscalana, Tavola West. That's what I call it. 6 months ago, you could count the number of houses here on one hand. Now, it's way more than that. Probably 6 or 7 hands and feet. Last time I rode through here, I believe, I had to stop to fix a flat tire on my Cervella Caledonia from the sharp rock that has plagued the Cervella rear tire. But I think I got that solved by changing out the tube. We're going to turn left on Torchiati. They're drilling and sawing. I think we'll turn right here to avoid some of the construction. I'm on my way back to Kingwood. .5 miles, and it's 2 minutes after 1. I've just left Tavola West, riding on this lane section of frontage road that hasn't been opened. Isn't open yet, and this is the first time I've ridden through it. Usually there are workers here, and I have to ride on the other side of the barrier. Not today. Back over Caney Creek. This time on a southbound frontage road. 18.5 miles. 6 minutes after 1. Looks like the wet clouds have went away. Valley Range Parkway. And I'm not sure what that is. Cross Street. On my way to the Texas 99 overpass in the Valley Range Parkway. Started a Strava segment there with those beeps. Budding wildflowers and clover. Construction on the right is Hope Media Group, building a new office building. They have KSBJ radio station, 89.3, and they also have 97.1 K-Love and several other ministries. Valley Range Parkway and Azalea Boulevard. My flag wind indicators. Winds from the southeast. It's got the flags fluttering pretty good. It's hard pedaling. .4 miles and 27 minutes after 1. Overall average speed is 13.9 miles an hour. Wind is pushing hard against me. Riding time is 1 hour 41 minutes 20 seconds. Riding south on Briarberry Lane in Briar Tree. On my way to Oakhurst. I've crossed over FM 1314. Riding south. Wind is left front quarter to face on. It's not too bad though. My speed is 15.5 to 16.5 miles an hour. 3-second average watts is 151. Not too bad. Out here in the open, there's nothing slow in the wind. Get back amongst the trees and houses, that'll help. Some vultures inspecting some roadkill, about 5 of them. Stop sign, it's going to be West Wallace Road. I'm going to turn right. Oh boy. I didn't remember seeing those houses over there in Peppervine, right off the entrance of the street. Just popped up pretty quick. .4 miles, 37 minutes after 1. We'll be entering into Oakhurst on Hosford Meadows Drive.